but don't ever speed again.
Okay.
The buses found a treasure after all. Thanks to the buses, Rookie and Pat felt encouraged.